through our whole life, usually we wonder what kind of sound do we have and what kind of influence we have over people. And like hearing our voice sometimes cannot be that overwhelming and that much interesting, but usually voice is the instrument that can break a war or tenderly whisper words like "I love you." For me, when I have been reflecting on my own experience and my own self, I have been thinking a lot what kind of allegory can I use if I have to compare my sound to something or someone. I most probably will choose echo because this is something that is really similar to me. Let's come up with the situation and think a bit about the echo. How is it created? For that, you have two things that actually should happen. First is silence, and the second one is a special space. Sometimes for people, silence is the best friend because in silence you can actually sit, think and reflect upon yourself. And sometimes you might ask yourselves a question. And usually those questions are the exact answers for the things that are bothering us for a long time. Here comes the echo. What happens with an echo, that the question itself becomes a reflection of your answer. Another interesting thing is when it comes to echo, you cannot repeat something without actually first listening to it. And I consider myself to be a good listener because whenever there is something happening, I need to listen, understand, reflect, and then give it back. And sometimes this is what trainers need because usually we're completely lost in ourselves and we need someone like a teacher to guide us towards our own ending. So if we think about this, me considering myself as an echo is a really good example because right now, after I stop talking, I will go back to my computer, I will start editing the video, and I will listen to my own speech, which is echo of myself. This will give me the best self-reflection, and thank you for your attention. It was me, Nakashidze from iTtT in Georgia.